Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your WeChat. Go ahead and select a contact. Then click on this plus sign from the bottom right here. Then swipe this way. Then click on here. Select your language. So as at the time of making this video, 3 languages available for these features. Select any of the language right here. By default, I'm leaving it in English language. Having selected your language, hold on to the mic right here and start recording your voice. Once you're done, you can send your voice note. It's that simple. This is how to send voice message in WeChat. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.